Previously, test software test closure is completed. Okay, and all the SC pages are completed. Now we will discuss about testing strategies. So this one testing strategies. So three types of testing strategies. First one is what formal testing or informal testing and exhaustive testing. Okay, formal testing is possible. Informal testing is also possible, and exhaustive testing is not possible. Why not possible? We can see this. So now formal testing and optimal testing. So follow the procedure. Okay, follow the procedure and test the application is called as a formal testing. Unfollow the procedure and test the application is called as a okay without following the procedure and test the application is called as a informal test. And exhaustive testing means what? Exhaustive testing is a test the all possible inputs or conditions. Each and every condition input checking is possible or it is not possible. We can check that out. Okay, so there are three types of the testing strategies: formal testing, informal testing, and exhaustive testing. So formal testing is all the okay, follow the procedure and test the application is called as a formal testing. Next, without following the procedure and test the application is called as a informal testing. Okay, so next each and every procedure we can test, it is not possible is called as a exhaustive testing. Okay? So in formal testing, first what study SRS documents. SRS documents means study the SRS document. Yes, software requirement specification document. Next what understand the SRS document. Okay, and clarify the doubts from whom? Product owner or business analyst. Okay, and next prepare test cases, test scenarios, and the test data. Okay, and after completion of this one, next to follow what test execution levels. What are the test execution levels? First one is what smoke testing. Next retest real or actual testing. Next retesting, sandy testing, and regression testing. We can complete all this. Okay, these are called as a formal testing process. So next informal testing is without okay without follow the procedure. Okay, without following the any procedure test the application is called as informal testing. So in that informal testing, ad hoc testing is there. So after completion of formal testing, we are going to conduct ad hoc testing. Okay. So ad hoc is also informal testing. Okay. Next, ad hoc testing is what is conducted by the experienced testers. Ad hoc testing are conducted by the experienced tester. Test the application, try to find the defects. Okay, test the application randomly or continuously finding the defects is called as what? Ad hoc testing. Okay, so here one is nowadays this testing is performed by the all the testers. In previously, it is only performed by the experienced testers. Nowadays, it is performed by the all the testers. That is called as ad hoc testers. Okay, next two question is there. Interview question there is what tomorrow release. Okay, tomorrow project release. Today, major function is not working. So what happened? So go for hot fixes. Hot fixes means immediately fix. Okay, immediately development or immediately fix and immediately testing for major functionalities. That is called as a hot fix. Okay, next monkey testing. So what is monkey testing? Due to lack of time. Okay, due to lack of time, testers can test the application or functionalities. Okay. So due to lack of time, tester can test the functionalities of the application is called as a monkey testing. So monkey testing is cannot follow any order. Okay, it is following without order. Yeah. With order means what? So alphanumerics are all are with order. Okay, numerical numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. So without order means we can choose anyone. So like 10, 15, 25, 99. So we can choose anyone that is called as a informal order without order. Okay, with order means the numbers are continuously one by one. Okay, so see here if you have 100 test cases, okay, this is a major important question. If you have 100 test cases, 2 days left, not possible to test complete all test cases. So as a tester, what is your action? So identify the high severity, identify the high priority first. Okay, we can identify the high priority test cases or what which important for client business or major functionality. So main functionality that is called as the answer for this. So how to know the main functionality? So how to know the main functionalities by studying SRS document or the user story documents. Okay, to find the main function. So next, without document testing is possible or not? Yes, without document also testing is possible. Why means it is less documents or no proper documents. Okay, so project is ready. There is no SRS user story or user document. Next, due to lack of documentation. Okay, there are number of files. Due to lack of documentation, tester can test the application. Yes. Why? So based on the SRS document. So based on the past experience. First, based on the past experience, communicate with the client side people and communicate with the developers and browse the net and operate each software screen by screen. Okay, after the software by screen, that is called as due to lack of issues also testing is working. Okay, next pair testing. Okay, so what is pair testing? Pair testing means due to lack of skills. Okay, due to lack of skills, senior testers, junior testers are joined with senior testers. So to test the application, that is called as a pair test. So exhaustive testing means testing all possible input conditions. So each and every condition input device is working. Okay, or it is checking or not. Checking is not possible here. Okay. So in that exhaustive testing is not possible to resolve. Why means it is a black box testing techniques, business value, okay, business value analysis, equivalence class partition, state transition flow, okay, state transition flow, decision table, under error guessing. These are black box testing techniques. It is not possible to this due to this reason. Okay, due to this reason. So next, what is the testing principle? Software testing principles means first what start test execution in early stages. Start the test execution in early stages, and after that we can test the software to overcome this find the defects. Okay, to test the software in order to find the defects. So exhaustive testing is not working. Error free software is also not working. Not possible. So testing is what contest based. Contest based means manual, automation, and performance. This is called as a contest based. Okay. So next, pesticide paradox. Pesticide paradox is old test cases are failed. Old pesticides have failed to identify the defects. So now prepare what new test cases. So that is to find the defects. It is called as a pesticide paradox. So follow the defect clustering. Means to test small modules carefully to identify the defect because small modules contains more number of defects. Okay. So this onwards, STLC totally completed. Okay. Thank